with the good wishes from the entire Westlark team, not just on my behalf, for all of you who are gathered here. And just a couple of quick points before we get started. Firstly, we'll be conducting this session in English and Hindi both. So technically we're supposed to use English, लेकिन हम हिंदी का भी इस्तेमाल करेंगे. I hope that is fine with everybody. Could you please type a yes in the chat box? Could you please type a yes in the chat box in case that is okay with you? I repeat, we will use English and Hindi both. Okay, so the yeses have started coming in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This is really helpful for us. और एक और दूसरी बात, हम टेक्नोलॉजी पर निर्भर हैं पूरी तरह से. So by chance, if you find that there's an internet glitch, either you get logged off or we get logged off from our side, we thank you in advance for your patience. हम तुरंत वापस join कर लेंगे. हमारे पास सारे backups रखे हुए हैं. Or as we know, life is very unpredictable. We'll just take it forward the way things are. It's truly a pleasure to start off this year's interaction with all of you with today's session. Like अभी जो प्रीति मैम ने बताया, स्मार्ट हैबिट्स फॉर स्टूडेंट्स का जो टॉपिक है, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खास है, because this indicates a thinking change for all of us, that how do we redesign our lives a little bit. 1.5-2 सालों में हम बहुत जने बहुत ऊब गए हैं. अगर मैं सबसे पूछूं what is the predominant thinking in your mind, it will be interesting to find what the answers are. Let's ask the student. In fact, let's do this exercise. सारे students को सोचना है, think of one word to describe the main emotion in your mind as of now. अभी की जो परिस्थिति है उसके हिसाब से, are you bored, are you happy, are you excited, are you restless, are you anticipating, are you numb, are you confused, do you have mixed feelings? Can you please use the chat box and write your main emotion of the mind using one word? इसके लिए कुछ क्षण ले लेते हैं. Let us see what answers come up in the chat box. And in the meantime, I'll also remind us, Preeti ma'am ने बोला, we will have our questions towards the end. So आपके जो भी questions हैं, आप उसको लिख के रख सकते हैं and just ask us towards the end. Don't write in the chat box, you can raise it towards the end. Okay, so I'm seeing the answers which have begun coming up. Alone, mixed feelings. Okay, so that means loneliness, some excitement, some numbness, mixed feeling, excited. Okay, excited about the 12th exams. Okay, confused, happy. Okay, interesting to see the different answers which are emerging. Let's just take a few more moments. देखते हैं और अगर students के जवाब आते हैं तो mixed feelings, happy, okay. Thank you for participating. Sad, yes. Happy, alone. Okay, happy. All right, fair enough. अलग अलग इमोशंस देखने को मिल रहे हैं. काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने हैप्पी लिखा है, which is wonderful. Some have written alone, some have said mixed feelings, some have said sadness and confusion. दो चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है even as we get started. The first is every emotion is valid. So somebody has put it very beautifully, alone and bored. Yes, that does happen. Loneliness and boredom very often do go hand in hand. The board exams, yes. So there is some excitement also, perhaps some nervousness regarding that. That's perfectly possible. Mixed feelings are very common, yes, because भेलपूरी के जैसे वो होता है कि थोड़ा खट्टा है, थोड़ा मीठा है, थोड़ा तीखा भी है, थोड़ा नमकीन है. So life is like that, and that is what we are experiencing. So to reiterate, the first thing we need to remember, जो भी हम emotion feel कर रहे हैं, that is valid. Do not think you're a bad person for feeling something negative. ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसे आज का सेशन है वो सुनने के बाद आपको लगे कि मैम ने बताया तो हमेशा मोटिवेटेड ही रहना है. No human being is a robot, and therefore no human being can maintain that same emotion consistently. That's the first thing to keep in mind. तो खुद को ऐसा छोटा महसूस नहीं कराना है that why am I feeling this way? Everybody says we should be grateful for the blessings in life. Why am I not feeling happy at all times? It is not possible. Please understand, सारे emotions valid है. The second thing to keep in mind, you are not your emotion. ये बात शायद पहले के सेशंस में भी आप लोगों को बताया गया होगा, either through Westlark or in other sessions, or teachers might have told you. You are not the same as your sadness. You are not the same as your confusion. You are not the same as, let's say, feeling lonely. Emotion अलग है, आप अलग हो. Think of an ocean and think of the waves. Emotions are the waves. You are the ocean. Keep that example in mind. सागर में जैसे लहरें होती है, वो उठती है और फिर वापस समा जाती है, लेकिन सागर का जो तल है, जो बेस होता है, that is steady. Now you need to know that you are like that steady, calm, balanced ocean. You are not the waves. Waves will come and go, emotions will come and go. ये चीज अगर आप ध्यान में रख सको, फायदा क्या है? You are going to be a far more balanced person and in general a more cheerful person, क्योंकि आप जानोगे कि जब आपका मन उदास हो या नाखुश हो या आप गुस्से में हो, you are angry about something and that's perfectly possible, that is going to be temporary and you are not that. So you're not going to identify with a negative emotion, and similarly you won't get very attached to a positive emotion either. आप में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने लिखा happy, excellent, that is very good. But that doesn't mean that state of happiness is also permanent. So learning to distinguish between ourselves and our emotions is a very, very crucial part of our self-training. और जैसे जैसे हम आगे जीवन में बढ़ते जाते हैं, ये जो एक ट्रेनिंग है, ये आपको बहुत उपयोगी होगा, बहुत काम में आएगा आपके, तो इसका ध्यान रखिए. So I repeat 2 things. First, every emotion is valid. Do not think it's a wrong emotion to have. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे सवाल क्यों आते हैं, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे उटपटांग ख्याल क्यों आते हैं? दिमाग है तो कभी कभी हो जाता है. Second, you are not that emotion. With this background in mind, what we're going to do is I'll start sharing my screen and I'll just show you a few slides that we've prepared. और वापस मैं दोहराती हूँ कि अंत में हम सवाल लेंगे. So I will request you to do the raise of hands at that point of time. So let me just take you to the few slides that we have. And I'll first tell you इसका structure हमने कैसे बनाया है. Now this whole topic that we selected is based on mental emotional wellness and what we call as quality education. तो आप अभी सोच रहे होगे अचानक से मैम ये किसके बारे में बात कर रही हैं? Well, VES happens to be a signatory to a United Nations program called PRME, Principles of Responsible Management Education. तो VES में जितने सारे हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जहां पे डिग्री दिया जाता है, दे आर कॉल्ड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट कॉलेजेस. और हमारे जो बाकी सारी संस्थाएं हैं, इंक्लूडिंग योर इंस्टीट्यूट, इंक्लूडिंग वेस्टलाक वेयर आई वर्क विद, वी आर ऑल ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द सेम VES सिग्नेटरी स्टेटस. तो उसमें क्या होता है, वी वर्क टूवर्ड्स सस्टेनेबिलिटी. अभी सबको पता है कि देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड क्लाइमेट क्राइसिस. We're all taught from childhood कि प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल कम करे, सोच बूझ के करे, वेस्टफुल वे में कंजम्पशन ना करे. तो ये सारी चीजें सस्टेनेबिलिटी के अंदर आती है. There are 17 such goals which United Nations has decided, and we as it's very proud feeling for us to be able to share that VES is a signatory to that, in the sense हम लोग इसके प्रति एक कमिटमेंट रखते हैं कि हर साल हम कुछ ऐसे एक्टिविटीज करेंगे जो सोशली रेलेवेंट हो, जो समाज के लिए हितैषी हो. So with this thinking in mind, today's session by Westlark is being linked to 2 sustainable development goals, SDG 3, which is for good health, and SDG 4, which is for quality education. अभी quality education क्यों? क्योंकि हम टेक्स्ट बुक्स के द्वारा बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, लेकिन टेक्स्ट बुक्स के बाहर की जो दुनिया है उसके बारे में भी समझना हमारे लिए आवश्यक हो जाता है. That is very necessary for us. So therefore, we focus on holistic development. And as a Westlark person, I feel very happy and privileged and proud that in Tulsi Technical Institute, this thinking has always been there, that you need to nurture the students and give them much more than what a textbook has. And right from your principal, sir, Preeti madam, all the other professors, the teachers who are there, we have seen over the years how hard the teachers have worked, how beautifully they have worked towards nurturing the students. So therefore, this is the connection today between this session and the sustainable development goals. तो हम डिस्कस क्या करने वाले हैं, उसके पहले आपको 2 स्लाइड्स दिखाते हैं. That is this who we are at times? Does it happen that we may say things and then regret, or we may say things which are not true and then we know that it is not true and we hope we don't get caught? Does it happen that we know what we need to do but we avoid doing it? हम प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करते हैं, हम डिले करते हैं काम को. ऑन द अदर हैंड, डू वी वांट टू चेंज इट अराउंड? क्या हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम खुद को बदले? पूरी तरह से अगर नहीं, फिर भी ठीक है, छोटे छोटे मात्राओं में. Do we want to feel happy and proud about ourselves? Do we want to be able to look into the mirror and feel good that, okay, I'm a good person? When I say look into the mirror, I don't mean in terms of physical appearance at all, but in terms of who we are as human beings. तो अगर आपने पहले स्लाइड को देख के कहा हाँ दिस इज ट्रू फॉर अस, और ये स्लाइड को भी देख के कहा हाँ वी वांट टू मेक अ डिफरेंस, वी वांट टू चेंज, देन दिस सेशन इज फॉर यू. तो जो सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आज मौजूद हैं ऑनलाइन सेशन में, ऑल यू नीड टू आस्क योरसेल्फ इज, डू आई फील आई नीड टू चेंज फॉर द बेटर? और इसका जो जवाब है इस सवाल का, ये खुद आप ही आपको दे सकते हो. दूसरा कोई भी आपके लिए ये सवाल ढूंढकर उसका जवाब निकालकर दे नहीं सकता है. सो विद दैट ऑनेस्टी वी देयरफॉर डिसाइड व्हाट वी वांट टू डिस्कस. तो हम 4 चीजें डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सबसे पहले ये, व्हाई इज टुडेस टॉपिक अबाउट स्मार्ट हैबिट्स, व्हाई नॉट गुड हैबिट्स? बचपन से सुनते आते हैं गुड हैबिट्स करो, ये करो, वो करो. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस एंड व्हाई नॉट गुड हैबिट्स? दूसरी बात, what are the smart habits? Third thing, sometimes we know many things, but जब करने की बारी आती है तो कर नहीं सकते हैं. So how do we bridge the gap between knowing and doing? इसके ऊपर सिर्फ एक स्लाइड देखेंगे which helps us jump across that gap. And lastly, a little bit of concluding thoughts. So with this in mind, the first thing we discuss is why smart? The first thing we need to understand, जब हमारी आदतें बनती है, when our habits get formed, the main reason for any habit is a motivation. Why are we doing what we're doing? So we need to understand, मान लीजिए आपके दिमाग में एक सोच है कि मुझे आगे चल के कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, कुछ सीखना है. Based on that, your motivation gets created that I will study well, I will work hard. Some students wrote that you are excited about your 12th standard board exams. You have a certain dream. पहले डिप्लोमा करना है, फिर उसके बाद डिग्री लेनी है, then maybe you want to go for a job, or some of you may later on decide to pursue higher studies. Whatever be your motivation, that will determine your habits. Now at this point of time, some of you may be thinking, okay, मेरे motivation के बारे में तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं. What is it that inspires me? So what we're going to do now, before we go further from here, I'm just going to come out of the slide share mode. आपके लिए एक छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज ये है, आपको सोचना है इन द नेक्स्ट 3 to 5 years, 3 से 5 सालों के टाइम स्पैन के अंदर, what is it you want to become or achieve? I repeat, in the next 3 to 5 years, what is it you want to achieve? For example, if you say you want a good job, now that is a kind of a goal. You want to say you want to earn enough money to help your parents live. That's another goal. तो आप चूज करिए आपका गोल क्या है, and let's use the chat box and write. Please use the chat box for this. Let's take a few moments and see. Okay, so the answers are coming in. Network marketing, very good choice. To get a job, yes, good. Very good. Let's see the other answers that come in. Okay, so a cruise liner job, that's interesting. To be a CA, lovely. A national medalist, okay, good. X-ray technician, to get a job. MBA police, get a job in UAE, tourism guide, very interesting. Do something for the country, civil service. Okay, get a job. Businesswoman, very nice. To be a chef, lovely. Okay, interesting answers. बहुत सारे जवाब आ रहे हैं. Music producer, that's interesting. Okay, I'm not repeating some of the answers, लेकिन सारे answers से बहुत सारा interesting input मिल रहा है. Okay, merchant navy as ETO, good. That's a very clear goal. NCC and Indian Army, lovely, good. Mobile hardware software, okay, good. Business, job, electrical engineering, army, okay. LLB, entrepreneur, nice, good to see that. Business management, okay. Indian cricket team, Okay, Durvi, I'm not sure what you meant by cookies, but it's interesting. Okay, police, business, army officer. Okay, AFMC. Okay, all right, all right. Yes, chef and cruise. Okay, you had first said cruise. I remember जो student ने लिखा था अभी chef clarification आया है CA army hotel management photographer. Interesting, very nice. IPS officer. Okay, okay. Makeup artist. Okay. मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी इट्स लाइक अ स्पेक्ट्रम जैसे इंद्रधनुष में बहुत सारे रंग होते हैं यू गेट अ स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ कलर्स द सेम वे वी कैन सी अ बिगर स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ कलर्स हियर मोर आंसर्स आर कमिंग इन एंड आई एम रीडिंग दोस गुड टू सी दैट एंड गुड टू सी के आपके दिमाग में वो एक क्लैरिटी है कि हमें क्या बनना है and sometimes life may have other plans for us but that's okay it's good to have a goal graphic designer very interesting and nice tourism good सारे आंसर्स जो आप लोगों ने दिए बहुत ही वैलिड है they're all useful they're all relevant and they're all valid now why do we need to do such an exercise from time to time जब सुबह उठते हैं हमारे लेक्चर्स के लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए तैयार होते हैं बीच में ऑफलाइन क्लासेस थे everything that we do our studies abhi board ke exams honge based on our motivation for things thank you that motivation can only happen when you're sure कि मुझे क्या करना है and again I'm saying it is possible that your dreams may change that is okay जिन लोगों को लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत मन में कंफ्यूजन है दैट वी डोंट नो मैम ने तो पूछ लिया लेकिन मैं लिखूं कैसे मुझे क्लियरली पता नहीं मुझे क्या बनना है दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेट टू गेट अ जॉब एंड दैट्स परफेक्टली वैलिड यू डोंट हैव टू से कि मुझे इसी डोमेन में काम करना है ओके सो वी गेटिंग मोर आंसर्स एंड सम ऑफ देम आर वेरी क्लियर आंसर्स गुड टू सी दैट बट कीप इन माइंड क्लैरिटी भी ठीक है अगर आप थोड़े बहुत कंफ्यूज भी हो लेकिन वो भी ठीक है लेकिन थोड़ा मन में एक सोच होनी चाहिए मन के अंदर that I want to do something good with my life. I want to be able to respect myself and have other people also respect me. This is very important. You may be having a very simple goal that you want to earn enough money so that you can have better circumstances for your family. कि पेरेंट्स के लिए कुछ करना है या थोड़ा बड़ा एक घर लेना है आप जहां पे रहते हो उससे थोड़ा बड़ा आपको एक जगह चाहिए It's a basic, simple, very healthy goal, a very good goal actually. And this is the kind of goal that allows you to focus every day when you're sitting in class and listening to your teachers for online classes. This is the motivation which allows you to study hard, work hard, apply yourself with diligence, stay ethical, give your exams well, get good grades, pass entrance exams, go to the next level of learning, or get a job, start a business, do whatever. आपको पता है all of us know this I'm just using an example here किचन में जो हमारा एक गैस स्टोव होता है चूल्हा होता है जो भी आप कहो वो होता है उसकी जो आंच होती है आग की आंच होती है द फ्लेम्स वॉल्यूम you have to adjust it if you put it on very low flame it will take hours to cook your food तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स कभी कभी हमारे पास आते हैं और कहते हैं कि मैम इच्छा तो है लेकिन आई एम स्टिल अ लेजी पर्सन So it's like a low flame which is there. What should we do? What is a smart answer to that? अभी जो आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी that these are your motivations, उसको और थोड़ा आग को तेज बनाना है. You have to increase that motivation. So how do you do it? आपने अभी जो लिखा in the chat box, have that written on a piece of paper and put it up somewhere where you can see it every day. Put it maybe on a mirror that you use और आपका कबर्ड का जो एक हिस्सा है वहां पे आप थोड़ा उसको चिपका के रखो और कुछ नहीं तो मोबाइल फोन के स्क्रीन सेवर के हिसाब से आपका गोल जो है उसको लिखो वो लिखने से क्या होगा on a daily basis you're going to be seeing what is your goal and that is going to motivate you so this is the first reason I'm just going to go back to the screen share this is the first reason as to why the whole motivation exercise is very important for us. And at the start of the new year, it's a good time for us to revisit our motivation. So let me just take you to the slide share mode. And what happens is our goals and habits get linked. Motivation और goals अगर सही हो तो habits automatically सही बनते हैं. Smart habits therefore are those habits which help you reach the goals. And good habits are ideal long-term habits. Okay, just request to mute. Thank you. Which means when we are wondering कि good habits क्यों नहीं, the answer is this: good habits भी जरूरी है, but those are long-term things. For now, we work with the smart habits. Long-term में definitely good habits को भी life के अंदर लाना है. On this slide and the next slide, we're going to be seeing two little groups of smart habits. सबसे जो पहला वाला smart habit है, which all successful people around the world do, whether they're business leaders, whether they're politicians, whether they are movie stars, cricketers, athletes, they align their lives and their body clocks with the sun. आपने सुना होगा बचपन में early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, wise. And you would have said, अरे ये तो parents बोलते रहते हैं, teachers भी बोलते रहते हैं. Well, guess what? 4 years back, the Nobel Prize in Medicine was won by 3 doctors in USA who came up with the same study, which was said in the Indian Charak Samhita more than 3000 years ago, which is an Ayurveda book, that every cell of the human body responds to the sun, which means when you wake up close to sunrise and live through the day according to that, and then go to bed at a reasonably good hour. ऐसा नहीं कि sunset के साथ साथ आप सोने चले जाओ, but at a reasonably decent hour, you're actually improving your brain's capacity, your memory, your concentration, your focus, everything. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने लिखा आपको क्रिकेटर बनना है या एथलीट बनना है, this is again very helpful for you. It is called circadian rhythm. English name is this, the circadian rhythm. So therefore, the smartest and most important habit is to align yourself with the sun. Now, some of us will say, how is this possible? मैम जो बोल रही है ये तो आइडियल है, लेकिन रात को तो नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है, या तो Amazon या Z Hotstar or whatever it may be, or YouTube or gaming. And then there are so many other different websites. I'll not even go into listing all of those now. It's a choice. If you have a goal in mind कि मुझे ये करना है या बनना है, then it's a choice that do I go to bed by 10:30 in the night so that I'm more likely to reach my goal by working hard and I'm keeping my body and mind super sharp, or whether I would rather be lazy, rather spend time thoda idhar thoda udhar karke. It's a choice. And yes, there are days when we succeed, there are days when we want to be lazy, which is okay. But are we aware what we are doing? Are we aware what we are choosing? So this is the first thing. Second thing, 3 चीजें होती है हमारे खुद के रिचार्ज के लिए. फोन का रिचार्ज बहुत बड़ा सिंपल होता है. Put the charger on, electricity का point, that's it. खुद के रिचार्ज के लिए क्या करना है? Correct timings of food, correct enough quantity of exercise, and enough duration of sleep. These 3 things are crucial, especially for those of you who have a board exam coming up in a few months from now. Why? Because even the best students amongst you, after working hard also, may find that you're a little anxious and tensed about certain things. वो anxiety और stress जो होता है मन के अंदर, उसको अगर कम करना है और उसका प्रभाव आपके परफॉर्मेंस पे नहीं आए, उसके लिए कि हमें क्या करना है, ये 3 चीजों का ध्यान रखना है. The meal timings, enough duration of exercise, and sleep. Now somebody may say, why exercise? Meal and sleep to samajh mein aa gaya. Why exercise? The answer is, the brain consumes maximum oxygen in the body out of all the organs. Oxygen, glucose and sleep. ये 3 चीजों की requirement brain को सबसे ज्यादा है. It's very interesting. Whatever I'm sharing with you, by the way, is totally based on science. When we give ourselves enough exercise, we are actually making sure the brain is getting enough oxygen. तो आप जब पढ़ने के लिए बैठते हो या ऑनलाइन लेक्चर सुनने के लिए आप बैठते हो, आपका दिमाग उसी टॉपिक पर रहेगा and you'll be able to recollect later on. Your memory will support you. आप silly mistakes नहीं करोगे. So a simple thing like, let's say, Anulom Vilom Pranayam followed by a small walk makes a massive difference to how well you're able to absorb the studies. Normally, we think a good student is someone who takes the books and sits with the books for hours and hours. Padhte jao. That's not true. Be smart, be efficient. आपको बहुत ज्यादा समय नहीं देना है, लेकिन शरीर और मन का ध्यान इस तरह से रखना है कि थोड़े समय में जो पढ़ते हो, यू आर एबल टू ग्रास्प दैट फुल्ली, यू आर रिमेंबरिंग दैट वेल, एंड यू आर क्रिएटिंग दैट प्रॉपरली इन द एग्जाम. The third point, daily motivation, focus on your goals and do not compare yourself with other people. खुद को डेली बेसिस में मोटिवेट करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. When we are motivating ourselves, unfortunately, some of us do what our parents or teachers have maybe sometimes done, comparison. वो comparison कभी नहीं करनी है. मैं आपको एक छोटा सा उदाहरण देती हूँ. I have with me here an apple. Nice red apple. आपको पता है इससे विटामिन ए मिलता है. It's soft and crispy and juicy. थोड़ा स्वीट सा जैसा टेस्ट है. Red in color. You can see it here. And I also have with me a pear, a different fruit. Nashpati जिसको बोलते हैं. Green in color. Taste is quite different. The feel and texture is different. Now suppose I tell the apple, Apple, why are you so round like this? Look at the pear. What an interesting shape it has. Why can't you be like the pear? Does it make sense? The answer is obviously no. You'll be thinking, how illogical. Similarly, अगर मैं pear को पूछूं, आप apple की तरह क्यों नहीं हो? देखो इसमें विटामिन ए होता है, कितना प्यारा सा लाल कलर है इसका. आप ग्रीन हो तो जो पेड़ की पत्तियां होती है वो भी हरी होती है, तो फ्रूट तो जैसे दिखता ही नहीं है. Again, that's going to be a stupid comparison. This is different, this is different. Both are unique. In the same way, every human being on this planet is unique. No two people are going to be the same, even twins for that matter. No two people are the same, which is why in Sanskrit we say, na bhuto na bhavishyati. आपके जैसा इस पृथ्वी पर कोई था नहीं और आपके जैसा इसके बाद कोई होगा नहीं. You are unique. In what way do you use your uniqueness? That is why the competition is only with oneself. खुद के साथ ही खुद का competition होता है. What was I yesterday? What am I today? If I could achieve a certain level of studies, of performance, of maybe extracurricular, co-curricular activities in the past, today if I am better off, then that is progress. So खुद की तुलना खुद से ही हो, that is real competition, not comparison with other people. Because when you look at other people, there will always be some people smarter than you, better than you, richer than you, more popular than you, and there will always be some people who are not at that level. So are we supposed to look at one category and feel depressed and look at another category and feel proud and arrogant? The answer is no, that's stupid. Look at yourself and see, am I making progress as a human being? Because each one is unique. So now there could be a question in your minds that does it mean you should never compare with anyone else? The answer is inspiration लो. किसी से अगर सीखना है वो सीखो. For example, let's say somebody gets angry very fast and he or she has a friend who is always very calm, very balanced, does not overreact. Be inspired by the person, not comparison, no comparing, no thinking that why am I like this and why is he or she like that? Why am I such a person? Anushka, will just request if you could help me mute. Somebody is, I think, again on unmute by mistake. So the second part of this third point is very important. Completely avoid comparison. Now we come to a fourth, I call this a smart trick, not just a habit. Whenever we want to remove something not so good in our lives, कोई भी बुरी आदत अगर निकालनी है हमारे जीवन से, bring in what is good, bring in what is light. I'll give you an example. Suppose आप एक अंधेरे कमरे में जाते हो, रात का समय है, आपको रूम के अंदर से अंधेरा जो है उसको निकालना है. What are you going to do? Answer is obvious. आप बत्ती जलाओगे, लाइट स्विच ऑन करोगे. Will you take a broom and start removing darkness physically? Darkness निकल जाओ. नहीं ना. Even a child knows that to remove darkness, bring in the opposite. Similarly, हमारे personalities में, हमारी आदतों में जो आदतें ऐसी है जो बुरी है, and we know what they are, उसको अगर निकालना है, the best way to do it is not only to stop doing that, but to bring in so much of good habits कि वो bad habit के लिए जगह ही नहीं बचे. आपके दिन के समय में उसके लिए समय ना हो. आपके दिमाग में अच्छी चीजें अगर आप बहुत अच्छे से भर लो, तो बुरी चीज के लिए जगह ही नहीं बचेगी. This is the fourth smart habit. Students, I can assure you, those of us who have ever struggled with any kind of habit which we don't like, but we feel like we are prisoners. एक स्टूडेंट ने एक बार मुझे बताया ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक ओनली कि मैम मेरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट टाइम बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है, and he was into some Japanese manga and anime and all of that. He was sleeping lesser hours. His academic performance had begun to suffer. How do I stop it? How do I come out of this addiction? So I gave him this formula and I said, what is it you're passionate about? So he thought for a long time and he said, I'm passionate about having my own business, being an entrepreneur. And he was very intelligent. He was capable of doing so. I said, try and focus on that. So already uske startup ke kuch plans usne banaye the. He got in touch with people. He started expanding his work. And then slowly, as that became bigger and bigger, he himself started feeling less attracted towards watching his anime and all. Now, we're not saying that the same formula is going to work with everybody in the same way कि आपको startup करना है या entrepreneurship करना है. Maybe you want to be an athlete, or so many of you mentioned you want to be a chef, or you may want to have some other business of yours which has nothing to do with what we're just now discussing. Focus on that. Make that a bigger part of your lives. उसके बारे में research करिए, लोगों से बातें करिए. The more you focus on what is healthy, the less time you have available for what is not healthy. So that is the fourth thing. And the last thing is very important. Take small steps, baby steps towards your goal. But identify what we call a master habit. सबके लाइफ में एक master habit होता है. Like for me, for example, it's about the time when I wake up in the morning, because that allows me to do my pranayam, yogasana, etc., a little bit of meditation. I start off the day in the right way, and then I find the rest of the day is going to be productive. जिस दिन वो नहीं हो, for whatever reason, the whole day becomes very different, not a very happy day. Now, different people may have different master habits. Okay, just request for muting. Thanks. I have a friend, for example, for her, the daily morning run, she goes jogging and she's an international athlete. That is a master habit. And that makes a difference. And that is her priority. So be it. She has run marathons, etc. It's wonderful to see that. But we need to take small steps towards our goals. कभी-कभी लगता है कि एक छलांग में हम बहुत आगे निकल जाए और बहुत कुछ कर ले. फिर जब नहीं कर पाते हैं तो then we get disappointed with ourselves. We need to remember not to do that. On this slide, we're going to see a set of what I call the bonus points. These are allied with the smart habits. पहले वाले slide में हमने 5 smart habits देखा, but now we are going to see some of the enablers of those smart habits. The first enabler is be a master of your gadgets, don't be a slave. Right now also we are connected using technology, laptops, mobile phones. These are fantastic tools for us to use. लेकिन जब ऐसी नौबत आ जाए कि ये चीजें हमारे ऊपर हावी हो जाते हैं, they master us and control us, then there is a problem. Now you know what is your threshold. Somebody once asked me, one 18-year-old boy once asked me, ma'am, how much of gaming time is enough for a day? So I started laughing. I asked him, beta, आपको करना क्या है life में? So he had big plans. He still does. He's doing very well now. He wants to start his own business, do his CA before that, etc., etc. So I said, see, you decide. Every hour that you spend gaming is 1 hour less that you get for your studies, your networking, your learning about your future work. So he got the hint. Initially, he said he used to do gaming for 4 to 5 hours a day. Now he hardly does it on a daily basis. If he does, it's maybe half an hour or 1 hour. When I asked him, why not half an hour on a regular basis? He said, ma'am, usse kam hota nahi hai, because once you sit for gaming, at least utna time to chahiye. So what I do is on some days, I don't do any such entertainment at all. I just focus on my studies, my future business and all that. जो भी मुझे करना है, उस पे और ध्यान देता हूँ. So this becomes very crucial. One small point I will make based on neuroscience. There is a hormone which is secreted and it's controlled, the regulation is controlled by the brain. It's called dopamine. Now, dopamine is linked to our use of many things. It is linked essentially to rewards. Our electronic addiction, किसी को भी अगर वो लगे कि अभी पैंडेमिक के दौरान उनका स्क्रीन टाइम बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ डोपामीन. सो यू नीड टू नो कि ये जो पहला पॉइंट मैंने आपको दिखाया है, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी टू मास्टर. इसके लिए समय लगेगा, बट इफ यू आर पेशेंट यू कैन डू इट. How do I say that? On two bases. One is the basis of neuroscience and facts. Secondly, of my own experience. I have also seen this. First wave of pandemic in 2020, we all saw what was happening to our lives, and every boundary went haywire because कब सोते थे, कब जागते थे, कब कैसे काम होता था, stress बहुत ज्यादा थी. Many of us took to various coping mechanisms, but then we realized this is dangerous. One has to be very careful. So quickly, many of us were able to find the balance. So be patient with yourself for this one. Second, very easy for us to do sometimes, not easy sometimes for us to do. कहीं पे भी लाइफ में लगे आप अटके हुए हो, seek help from people. Ask people. Never feel that you are lost and lonely in suffering. ये जो एक feeling होता है, this is common amongst young people, but you need to know you're not the only one. There are others also who know what it is like to go through pain. आस्क फॉर हेल्प, रीच आउट. फैमिली में पेरेंट्स से बात करिए, इंस्टीट्यूट में टीचर से बात करिए. हमारे जैसे वेस्लाक को आपको अगर एक सुझाव देना है, ईमेल भेजना है, दैट कैन यू डू अ सेशन फॉर अस ऑन मे बी एंगर मैनेजमेंट और लोनलीनेस और व्हाटएवर, लेट अस नो. Today also we'll be giving you a feedback form towards the end. Do fill that up and let us know what more you want. But ask for help when you're stuck in life. There's no shame or embarrassment in that. The third bonus point to remember, instead of avoiding what you don't like or what you find difficult, जो आपको मुश्किल लगे लेकिन करना है, for example a subject that you find difficult, do that first. इससे क्या होता है? दो चीजें होती है. The first, you feel very good about yourself and that in turn motivates you to do the other things well, the other subjects, let's say, well. The second, you're actually rewriting the brain software. आपका जो न्यूरल सिस्टम है ब्रेन का, आप उसको रीराइट कर रहे हो. You're no longer seeing that activity or that subject as difficult. So this is a smart trick habit which is used by many people that I know, and I also used to use this when I was in school and college. जो subjects मुझे पसंद नहीं थी उसको मैं सबसे पहले करती थी. I don't want to share what subjects those are because there are teachers and staff members present here and they might be thinking, अरे मैम ये सब्जेक्ट पसंद नहीं करती थी. सो कभी अलग अगर हम लोग सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के साथ सेशन करें तब मैं शेयर करूंगी, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें और बताऊंगी. नंबर 4, when you want to focus but if you find your mind is going here and there, वो छोटा जैसे डॉग या पपी होता है ना, very happily it runs away. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग देखा उसके पीछे भागा, कुछ स्मेल कहां से तो आई तो उसके पीछे वो गया. When your mind starts behaving like that, you need to practice what is known as time chunking. आप 3 घंटे एक साथ बैठ के पढ़ नहीं सकते हो बोर्ड के लिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. 1 घंटा करो. 1 घंटा मुश्किल है, 30 minutes करो. This is called time chunking, but you figure out what is the duration of time for which your mind stays focused and doesn't get saturated. The moment that time is over, let's say 30 minutes, get up, walk around a little bit, drink a little water. जैसे हम लोग किचन में जाके देखते हैं, हाँ आज मम्मी खाने में क्या बना रही है. इफ यू हैव अ ब्रदर और सिस्टर, उनको जाके थोड़ा तंग करके आते हैं, एंड देन गेट बैक टू योर स्टडीज अगेन. नाउ डोंट टेक माय वर्ड्स लिटरली एंड से कि वेस्ला की मैडम आई थी, उन्होंने बताया कि जाके सिबलिंग्स को तंग करो. ओके, दैट इज नॉट द मीनिंग हियर. द फिफ्थ थिंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, इट्स अ वेरी गुड स्मार्ट हैबिट, प्लान योर वर्क. जो भी आपको दिन में करना है, whatever timetable you have for self study, maybe if you have tuitions etc or something that you're doing for the future, some of you may be wanting to have part-time jobs, plan everything right from your study material, your books, your stationery. If you are going to be on camera, then the clothes that you're going to wear. Planning makes all the difference. This is in fact one of the secrets of time management. आप देखोगे कि सेम 24 घंटे सबके पास होते हैं, लेकिन अलग अलग लोग उन 24 घंटों का अलग तरीके से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Some people will just while away the day And then you wonder, where did the time go? And some people will do so much and yet not be strained that others will look at them and wonder, how is this person doing so much? So one of the key tricks to that is planning. And the last thing, as per science and as per our yoga shastras and Ayurveda, mornings are the most important part of the day. मॉर्निंग का टाइम आप जितना यूटिलाइज कर सको उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. So again, those of us who are not morning birds, not everybody is an early bird of the morning. आपको क्या करना है? Remember my suggestion, what I told you some time back. Whatever is your goal and motivation, write it on a piece of paper and stick it up somewhere. कहीं पे उसको चिपका के रखो, या तो मोबाइल फोन का स्क्रीन सेवर बनाओ, या तो बुक्स के फर्स्ट पेज पे लिखना उसको शुरू करो. So that you feel motivated, and whatever time you're waking up, 6, 6:30, 7, whatever time you get up, you're prioritizing morning time. उससे late अगर हम उठते हैं, we are not utilizing. Let's be very honest. Yes, if somebody is unwell, that's a different story. But normally when things are fine in terms of health, we have to get up aligned with the sun. Now we come to the next small segment, but important segment. How do you bridge the gap between knowing and doing? तो उसके लिए मैं आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाती हूं. This is not picture as in, it's just a photograph. This is what we call a dwarpal. As you can see, on both sides of this gate, you have a painting of two people guarding the door. And you know, पहले के जमाने में जब राजा महाराजा होते थे, outside their palaces and forts, you would have people guarding the door, the doorkeepers, and they would only allow certain people to go in. And if they felt someone was an enemy, either that person was pushed out or that person would be bound and tied in chains and taken to the king and presented with due course with the correct procedures. The same thing has to be done to our minds when thoughts come in which are not helpful to us. So I will just explain that in a few moments. Anushka, I just request you to help. I think somebody is on unmute again. Okay. A kindly request to unmute and mute, sorry. If someone is unmuted accidentally, kindly request to check that. The first thing, very often we make a mistake when we want to change ourselves for the better. ऐसा कोई workshop हमने सुना या किसी ने हमें कुछ अच्छी बातें बताई. We try to make too many changes at the same time. हम ये भी करेंगे, वो भी करेंगे, कल से सुबह को जल्दी उठेंगे, एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, प्राणायाम करेंगे, कुछ स्पोर्ट्स खेलेंगे, एक्सरसाइज विल बी हैपनिंग इन द ड्यू कोर्स विद स्पोर्ट्स, we'll help out at home, we will study harder. Unfortunately, after a point of time, it becomes difficult for us to maintain all those habits because we're trying to change too many habits at the same time. So what should we do? At one point of time, don't try to change more than 1 or 2 habits. Now, there are exceptions. We do know of students who can change more habits at a time. But for most of us, एक या दो अगर आप आदतों को बदलो, उन पे ध्यान दो, पहले उनको change करो, फिर नए आदतों को change करो, you will find you're making progress. Second thing, be patient with yourself. ऐसे बहुत बार होता है, वो गाड़ी जो पटरी पे चलती है, पटरी से उतर जाती है, derailment हो जाता है. We start off waking up in the morning, let's say at 6 o'clock instead of 7. And then after 3 or 4 days, one day we don't. Then what happens? We feel, अरे मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ, मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, I will never change, and we give up. Give up नहीं करना है. So patience with oneself is very crucial. Third, this is the point where I had shown you the photograph, have the gatekeeper of the mind. Whenever a thought is entering your mind, you need to know, is this thought helpful for me or harmful for me? जैसे किंग के दरबार में, राजा के दरबार में कोई अगर प्रवेश करे तो पहले सबसे पहले द्वारपाल देखेंगे, ये मित्र है या शत्रु है? Is this person a friend or is the person an enemy? Similarly, let's say I'm a student and I'm thinking, okay, this topic I don't know so well, I need to ask my teacher and I need to take my friend's help. That thought is your friend. If I get a feeling and a thought that says, oh, this topic is difficult, I think ये मैं कल के लिए रख देता हूँ, अभी मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है, ये मेरे समझ के बाहर है, that thought is your enemy. Are we careful and mindful that when a thought is happening in our minds, we are checking, is this a good thought for me or is it not such a good thought for me? Helpful or harmful? Have that assessment. दिन में एवरेज ह्यूमन माइंड में 6000 थॉट्स होते हैं. अभी सारे थॉट्स को फिल्टर करना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन 6000 में से अगर 50 या 100 थॉट्स को आपने पकड़ के फिल्टर किया कि जो मेरे लिए अच्छे नहीं हैं उनको थोड़ा पीछे कर दो, और जो अच्छे हैं उनको वेलकम करो, उनका स्वागत करो, यू आर गोइंग टू डू वेरी वेल. सो इवन अ स्मॉल चेंज मेक्स अ बिग इम्पैक्ट हियर. एंड द लास्ट थिंग, आई लव टू डू दिस पर्सनली. मैं डायरी में हमेशा लिखती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मेरे किचन कैलेंडर में और एक छोटा एक नोटबुक है, उसमें मैं टिक करते जाती हूँ what are the daily improvements. So for example, if I have set a target that every day I will do some pranayam, some exercise, some meditation, certain other activities for my health, some learning before getting into my working day, I will tick each of those and then pat myself and give myself a star at the end of the week if out of 6 or 7 days I've done for even 5. तो जैसे बचपन में आपको टीचर स्टार या वेरी गुड कभी देते थे या स्माइलीज ड्रॉ करके देते थे जब आप स्कूल में थे, that I've done well, it's being appreciated. Same way now, you need to keep a little diary. This is your diary of self improvement. और इसको किसी को बताना नहीं है, दिखाना नहीं है, बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's not to show the world, it's for yourself. If you don't want to keep it on a diary, then like you can do what I do, as to do this on the kitchen calendar, as to put little ticks and use small symbols or short forms. This tells you how much progress you have made. और एक बार ये आदत जब आपको लग जाए ना, you will not miss doing what you need to do. So as we reach the end, there is a concluding thought I'd like to share, which is that of what we call the oyster and the pearl. आपको पता है समुद्र में जो सीप होती है जिसके अंदर मोती पाया जाता है, वो मोती बनता कैसे है? A small grain of sand enters the oyster, and that's actually an irritant for the oyster. What does the oyster do? Does it start jumping up and down in irritation and saying, छी, ये कहाँ से सैंड, बालू का कण मेरे अंदर आ गया, इसको निकालो बाहर, ये गंदा है, ये कचरा है? It doesn't do that. It starts coating that grain of sand with layers and layers of nacre. And after some time, that little grain of sand is now converted to a beautiful, shining, lustrous pearl. That is how a pearl is formed. Now imagine if we as human beings could take the same approach towards all the irritations in our life. जो चीजें हमें इरिटेट करती हैं या जो चीजें हमें दुख पहुंचाती है, जिन चीजों से हमें तकलीफ होती है, उन चीजों को लेके अगर सोचे कि मैं अगर सीप हूं तो इसको मोती कैसे बनाना है, हाउ डू आई कन्वर्ट दिस टू अ पर्ल, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट वुड बी. गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड सी. लाइफ में एक चीज के साथ भी अगर आप ये अप्रोच रख सको, आई थिंक देयर इज मैजिक दैट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. And there's a little paragraph which many of us may be familiar with, a very beautiful poem which starts off by saying, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. बहुत जनों ने सुना होगा कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. And then it goes on. Many of us might have learned this poem in school. हम भूल जाते हैं. Today at least try and remember this poem. एक बार याद करिए, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसे चीजें होते हैं like this poem or certain quotations which remind us how to get back on track of life. And all of us as human beings will have ups and downs. All of us will go through problems. All of us will go through sufferings. We will face confusion. We will have doubts. कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं है जिसके मन में ये सारी चीजें नहीं होंगी. अगर सुख होता है तो दुख भी होगा. And yes, we may think कि मेरे लाइफ में दुख ज्यादा है, but then none of us holds the patent right to suffering. We need to remember that. You only need to look around in order to find people who are much worse than you are. So then what should we do? Two things. A, ourselves be determined and resilient. B, be compassionate towards others and try to help others. खुद के लाइफ को सुधारने के लिए हम लोग प्रयत्न करें, उसके साथ साथ जितना बनता है हम लोगों से औरों को भी हेल्प करें. So with this, we conclude the session. And there's a little quotation I wanted to share with you, that हम लोग plans तो बहुत बना लेते हैं, लेकिन अगर प्लान कामयाब न हो तो प्लान को बदलिए, अपने गोल को नहीं. Stick to your dream and goal. Make sure that you make it work. So, on this note, thank you so much. We conclude the session. I'm just going to do for you a very, very quick recap. So, we started by discussing the fact that we need to change. उसके पहले हमने खुद को पूछा था, what are the emotions we are feeling? We looked at the structure of the discussion that was going to happen. We asked ourselves what are smart habits and why they are important. We saw 5 essential smart habits about the circadian clock, about self recharge, daily motivation, and avoiding comparison, removing bad habits by bringing in good things, and taking small steps towards the goal. We also looked at 6 different bonus points about electronics, taking help, जो टफ चीजें हैं उनको पहले करो, फोकसिंग बाय डूइंग टाइम चंकिंग, प्लानिंग आवर वर्क वेल एंड प्रायोरिटाइजिंग द मॉर्निंग. उसके बाद वी वेंट फॉरवर्ड एंड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट हाउ नोइंग वर्सेस डूइंग में कभी कभी गैप होता है, एंड देयर आर 4 थिंग्स वी सजेस्टेड फॉर दैट. चेंज वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. नहीं तो बहुत सारे प्लान्स हो जाते हैं लेकिन इंप्लीमेंटेशन ठीक से हो नहीं पाता है. सेकेंड, बी पेशेंट विथ योर सेल्फ. थर्ड, start filtering the quality of the thoughts in your head. And fourth, track the improvements that you're doing. Then we spoke about the oyster and pearl example and said, this is an option which we have. And finally, we are saying that we need to work with compassion towards others and determination for oneself. So thank you so much. On this note, we conclude the session. We have a few minutes of time and I'll be happy to take up any questions. I will request you all to use the chat box since our group size is large. Please use the chat box if you have a question. So I'll just open up the floor for questions. Let me see if any question comes up. आप टाइप कीजिए चैट पर. And in the meantime, Anushka, if you could please share the feedback form with the students. Most welcome. Okay, so if there are no questions, that's lovely because it simply means we have been able to follow. So this is the feedback form link that Anushka ma'am has shared. This will really help us because आपको अगर लगे कि ऐसे sessions और होने चाहिए, then please let us know. Most welcome, most welcome. We don't know next session kabhi hoga, but I'm happy that if you liked it, then I'm glad because I assure you again, all of you, this institute students are very, very special and very precious for the Westlark team. Most welcome, most welcome. Okay, so there is one question that has come up in the chat. Let me just scroll back and see. Lots of thanks are coming up. Just let me scroll back. Okay, I'm seeing some of the chat messages. So, Anushka, you've asked an important question. How do you control your anger, sadness at that point of time? Very good question. सबसे पहले deep breathing करिए. Now, at that time, it will sound very weird to you that how is it possible for us to do deep breathing when we are sad or angry or something? But then the point is when we are afraid we may lose our temper, we may say something which is bad, or we are likely to just burst into tears. The best thing and the fastest way to self-regulate is to take 1 or 2 deep calming breaths. Now, what is the science behind it? Why does this work so beautifully and better than everything else? The answer is because the moment you're breathing deep, you are telling the body and mind that things are fine, all is going to be fine. तो जो भी आपका excessive negative emotion है, गुस्सा हो या sadness हो, उसको आप control कर सकते हो. Your heartbeat stabilizes, your BP comes down, the stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline which are flowing in the blood, वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. आप देखोगे even when fear is very much, suddenly there's a spike of adrenaline and your entire body starts quivering. So the best way, the fastest way again, students, I repeat, the fastest and most efficient way to deal with it is to do deep breathing. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, usually 2 से 3 बार किया तो काफी होता है. All you need to do is just make sure you are using the breath for control. Yes, long term, there are other methods. You can practice pranayam, that works beautifully. You can write down whatever is troubling you. This would be my third suggestion, Anushka, for the question that you asked. जो भी आपको bother कर रहा है, जो भी चीज, जो भी problem आपके life में है, उसके बारे में कहीं पे एक पेज पे या डायरी में कहीं पे लिखिए. Putting it down on paper allows you to analyze. You're then able to resolve the situation very well. We all have the ability to resolve, लेकिन हम कभी कभी अटक जाते हैं. So then you will know how to deal with it better next time. Okay, so 3 suggestions therefore I'm repeating. First, do deep breathing. Second, get into the habit of pranayam, फिर आपको गुस्सा और sadness दोनों थोड़ा कम उसको हो जाएगा. And third, write down whatever is troubling you. You can of course also use other methods like talking to people, etc., taking advice from teachers, from parents. ये सारे उपाय भी आपके पास है. I'm just going back to the chat and lots of thanks are there. That is so sweet. You're most welcome. I can see the message. Gaurav, you've written a very sweet message. Lots of you have given very sweet messages. Thank you so much. It's been truly a pleasure. And I'll share with you all. In fact, Preeti ma'am, this is also for you. आज के दिन में इसके बाद मेरे और 2 सेशंस होने वाले हैं. लेकिन सबसे पहले हमने आपके इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए सेशन का टाइमिंग तय किया. फिर उसके बाद कहा कि जो टाइम बचेगा फिर उसमें बाकी की चीजें एडजस्ट होगी. ये सेशन के साथ there was no compromise. Doesn't mean that we are compromising with others. It was truly special for us. So I told Anushka, we will start the day first with this session. उसके बाद बाकी की चीजें होती रहेंगी. So thank you so much for your beautiful participation. इतने बड़े ग्रुप ने बहुत अच्छे से डिसिप्लिन रखा, बहुत अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया. Whenever I asked questions, you all were able to give beautiful answers. So this makes all the difference to us. So I can see there's another question that's come up. Himanshu, you can just ask Preeti ma'am to be in touch with us and she'll be able to guide you कि कैसे हम लोग के साथ contact करके दूसरा अगर आपका कोई सुझाव हो that you would like more sessions etc. वो कैसे करना है. Okay, so don't worry, we are very much there and we are very much around. So Preeti ma'am, thank you so much, and our thanks to Principal Sir and all the other staff members of the Institute. Have a very nice day and a very good week ahead. I can see again lots of thanks coming up. Most welcome, most welcome, most welcome. Most
Yeah, I
welcome.
think they really enjoyed your session, ma'am. Like I told them already that you're a very good speaker and it's always a pleasure to hear you. I just
You're
hope
too
they take
kind.
some learning and continue doing it, and then it will be really worth your and our time also. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much, Priya ma'am, and I hope we'll see you in future soon
I
so
know, I
that we
know.
can guide them in a better way. And, they continue then with all this motivation.
Absolutely, ma'am. Let that happen. Let the divine hear our words and our prayers, and may
Yeah.
that happen soon. Thank
And
you.
Chetan
Thank you
has
so much
to.
for your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am. Have a great day. Take care.
You too. You too. Bye.
Thank you.